Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss statements, logical connectivities, truth tables, symbolic to sentences, and sentences to symbolic form, and the order of precedence of the logical connectivities. Okay, so what we have to remember is when you come across with and symbol, what you have to remember, both should be true, both statements should be true. Or means at least one statement should be true. So next, exclusive disjunction means what we have to remember means but not both. Both means both true, both false, you have to consider. Not, you have to remember not, that means both should be false. So next one, conditional means TF gives F. So first statement should be true and second statement should be false, then result will be false. Biconditional means both true, it's true, and both false also true. This you have to remember. Now let us discuss how to do the construction of the truth tables. So first one is the P conditional Q is false he has given. Find the truth value of the different problems he has given. So from here you have to get a clue. P conditional Q, already I have discussed. When you come across with conditional, what you have to remember, when it is false, only first statement true, second statement false, then only the result will be false. In the remaining cases it is true. TF is F. So if you consider this one, P conditional Q is false. P conditional Q is false happens only in one case. What is that one? P is true and Q is false. So what, instead of giving P is true, Q is false, he has given like this. Therefore the values are P is true and Q is false. Now what is the P and Q? P and Q. P stands for true, Q stands for false. And symbols, what it says, both should be true. Here not both are not true. Here it is false. Therefore the answer is false. Next, not P or Q. If P is true, negation is how much? False. Okay, false, Q is also false. Symbol is R. R, what it says, at least one should be true. So there is no true at all, therefore it is false. Next, Q conditional P. Q condition, Q is what? False. First statement is false, then true, FT. If it is TF, then it is false. In the remaining cases it is true, therefore it is F. First statement is false, second statement is true, therefore the answer is true. Next, not Q conditional not P. Not Q means what? Q is false, not Q stands for true. This is false. TF conditional statement, what the result will be? False. Okay, this is the way of finding the different truth values. Now we will go for some another problem. Given P comma Q comma R has the truth values as 0 0 1. So instead of giving the true false like that, he has given in terms of the numbers 0 0 1. 0 stands for false, 1 stands for true. That means P is false, Q is also false, R is true. First question, P R Q R R we have to find out. First let us find the P R Q. P is what? P is false, Q is false. R symbol, what it says? This both should be, at least one should be true. At least one should be true. These two are false. Therefore you are getting the false. False or true. Again R symbol, what it says? At least one should be true. This is true. Therefore the answer is true. Next, P and Q and R. P and Q and R. So P stands for false, Q stands for false. And symbol, what it says? Both should be true. So both should be true, then it is true. Therefore here both are false, therefore it is false. So false and true. And what it says again, both should be true. Here one is false, therefore the answer is false. Next, P and next is P and Q conditional or. P and Q conditional or. P and Q. P is false, Q is false. And statement what it's, and logical connective what it says, and both should be true. Therefore this is false, this is true. So in conditional what I am saying, the first statement true, second statement false, then it is false. In the remaining cases it is true. Therefore this is the remaining case. Therefore it is true. Next, P conditional Q and R. P conditional Q and R. Q and R. Q is what? False. R is true. Both should be true. So both should be true, then only it is true. Therefore it is false here. Here P is false. So in conditional what we have discussed, TF gives false. Remaining case it is true. Therefore it is true. Next, P and R conditional Q. Now we will have to do the R conditional Q. R is what? True. Q is false. True, false. Conditional statement gives the false. Here false and false. And what says? Both should be true. Here fails. Therefore it is false. Next, P conditional Q conditional not R. So first we will do Q conditional not R. So Q is false, not R. R is true, not R is false. Here conditional. Conditional what it says? TF is false. Remaining case it is true. Therefore this is true. So F conditional true. F conditional true is also true. So this is the way. Now construction of the truth tables of the following. First is P and not Q, like this. Here in terms of P and Q only, therefore we come across with the 4 rows only. So 4 rows only. So I am giving the headings for this one. Okay. So P you have to consider both are true and both are false. Here Q alternately true and false. Negation of P. Negation of P means true will become false, true will become false, false will become true, false will become true. Again negation of Q. True will become false, false will become true, true will become false, false will become true. Now it is P and not Q. P and not Q means this row column and not Q is this column. And what it says, both should be true. Both should be true. No. Here both should be true. Therefore it is true. Here fails. Here fails. Therefore one is true. Here only one is true. Remaining are false. Next, not P or Q. So not P is this one. Not P is this one. This column. And Q is this column. Or what it says, or at least one should be true. Therefore this is true. Here fails. Here work. Here it is also true. Here it is also true. So only one failed. Remaining are trues. Now it is P conditional not Q. So P column is here. Not Q column is here. Conditional TF only gives false. So check whether it is TF is there. TF, therefore false. Here TT, FF, EFT. Only this is false. Remaining are trues. Okay. Next, not P exclude is disjunction not Q. Not P exclusive disjunction not Q. Already we have discussed. Both true is false. Both false is also false. So not P where it is. Not Q here. Both false. Both false. It is false. Both true is also false. Remaining cases it is true. So this is the way of constructing the truth tables. Now we will go for one more problem. Construct the truth tables for the following compound proposition P, R, Q and R. So here it is three statements are there, therefore number of rows is 2 cube, that is 8 rows will be there. So how to write this one means P 4 truths again 4 falses, Q will be 2 truths 2 falses again 2 truths 2 falses, or you have to write it as alternative true and false like this. The first question is P, R, Q and R. First frame P, R, Q. P, R, Q. R what stands for? R stands for at least one should be true. Therefore this is true. This is also 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 true. These two are not true. That means all are true. The last two are false. Next P, R, Q and R. P, R, Q and R. And what it says? Both should be true. Therefore this is true. So this is also true. This is also true. So three truths you come across with 1, 2 and 3. Okay. Next it is Q and R. Q and R. Now we have to write Q and R. Q is this one, R is this one. Q and symbol what it says? Both should be true. Therefore it is true. Here it is not, here it is not, here it is not, here it is okay. So remaining cases it is false. Remaining cases false. Now it is P, R, Q and R. P, R, Q and R. Q and R already you know. P is here. P, R symbol what it says? R is at least one should be true. First column and the last column we consider. So P, R, Q and R stands for at least one should be true. Therefore first four are true. First four are true. Okay. Next fifth you will consider. F, T, at least one should be true. Therefore it is true. F and F false. F false. F false. So this is the way of constructing the truth tables. Next P and Q conditional not R. Similarly Q and negation of R conditional P. First you write the all these P, Q, R values. Next what you have to do? P and Q we require. So not R we required. Not R how will you write? True will become false, false will become true like this. Not R completed. Next P and Q you have to do. P and Q and symbol what it says already we have discussed. And means both should be true. So here it is both should be true. Here it is true. Here fails, here fails, here fails, here fails, here fails, here fails. Therefore both should be true are the two cases. Therefore these two are true, remaining all are false. Now P, R, Q conditional not R. That means from this to this. So T, F is there any TF? Any TF? No. Therefore this is false. First one is false, remaining all cases are true. First one only false, remaining all the cases are true. Now you come across with this one. Not R conditional P. Not R conditional P. Not R is this one. P is this one. So conditional statement what conditional what it says? True false gives false. So not R to not R first true. Here it is true is there. There is no false at all there. No fails. True no fails. Here it is true false. So you will get the true false. Here you will get the false. Again also here you will get the false. That means two falses and the remaining all are truths. So this is not R conditional P. Now Q and not R conditional P. Q is what? This line, this column. Not R conditional P is this one. So and symbol what is both should be true. therefore true true, the answer is true. Next, q true and true, here it is also true, here it is ft fails, here it is true true true. So these three are true, remaining all the cases it is false. So this is the model.